Chemistry is one of the most important subjects in science, yet many students find it confusing. So let us begin from the very basics and understand what chemistry actually is. Chemistry is the branch of science that studies the preparation, properties, structure, and reactions of material substances. In simple words, chemistry helps us understand what substances are made of and how they change. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Air, water, food, metals, plastics, everything around us is matter. When matter undergoes a permanent change, it is called a chemical change. For example, milk changes into curd, iron rusts, and food gets cooked. These are all called chemical changes. Chemistry studies why and how these changes takes place. Chemistry is not limited to laboratories and textbooks. It plays a role in medicines, soaps, fuels, food, and even the processes inside our body. Our daily life is deeply connected to chemistry. Chemistry helps us develop medicines, create new materials, improve quality of our life, and produce energy. Because it connects physics, biology, and environmental science, chemistry is called the central science. This was a basic introduction to chemistry. In the next video, we will learn about the different branches of chemistry.